Question 6. So store has a clearance items that have been marked down by 80%. Right? So marked down by 80%. Then so this is a clearance price. 80% of the original. Right? Original price we didn't know. Let's see. That's X. Then they are having a sale advertising additional 30% off. Additional 30% off. So mark down 80%. Then, so we have to pay 20%, right? Because 100% minus 80%, 80% off basically. So left with 20%. So now, so this is a clearance price. So after markdown 80%, now we only have to pay 20% of the original price. Then additional 30% of this clearance price. So with additional, so after additional 30% off, the price now becomes 30%. The additional 30% off, which is we have to pay 70%, right? 100% minus, because 30% off, that means we have to pay 70% of the clearance price. Well, what is the clearance price? It's a 20% of the original price. Okay, now the question is asking, what percent of the original price do you end up paying? So we want to calculate in those two numbers basically, right? So 70% we know that 70 divided by 100, which is 0.7. And 20% is 20 divided by 100, which is 0.2 of the original price. So 7 times 2, that's 14. 2 decimal places, so it's 0.14 of the original price. Well, in percentage, 0.14 is a 14% of the original price. Or we write down as a 14% of the original price. So the answer is so first 80% off the original price, then additional 30% off the clearance price. So that means in total, we only have to pay. So that means, right, we only have to pay 14% of the original price. That means 86, right? 86% marked down. So depending on what question answer, this question asks, what percent of the original price do you end up paying? We only have to pay 14% of the original price. If I ask you what percent was the markdown, total markdown, we would answer 86% markdown in total. All right, that's this question.